Hello, I'm Manju Sharma and I'm a teacher by profession. And the thing is that since last 10 to 12 years, I was suffering from cervical spondylitis and followed by that vertigo attack and all. And I have been to so many doctors, like I was in Goa, I was in Guwahati, and then finally I moved to Mumbai. And I was under like a lot of medicines and all, but I was not, and I was only told to do your exercises and all. Then one fine day, and since last 1 year, I had a very bad attacks of vertigo, and the pain was not subsiding at all. Every morning I used to get up with my pains in my neck and throat and whatever, the shoulder and everything, and I tried everything. Then suddenly one fine day I received a message from Ashia in our Poonam Heights group. I stay in Poonam Heights where I am blessed. Now I feel myself as a blessed lady that Arshia stays just on top of my floor. And then when I read her message, at that time I was in Surat and I had a very bad attack of this vertigo. And when I read this, I don't know, something clicked in my mind that I must message her and let me try as a last option कि something can be done, or the doctor was advising me for MRI and all. Anyway, when I came to Mumbai, I messaged, very next morning I messaged Arshia, you see this thing, I'm suffering from cervical spondylitis followed by a very bad attack of vertigo. Can it be cured by your healing process? And then she prompt replied me with a video and all. If you find, just have a look, and whatever you think, you can come to me. And then within a second, within a moment, I replied her back, yeah, I'm going to come today itself. Give me the slot of your appointment. And she gave me the slot of 2 o'clock. I was right here 2 o'clock, the session, and it was very pleasure talking to Ashia. She was very down to earth, very humble. I feel as if she's a God gifted. Something is there in her hand. I don't know, I'll not say now. After my 2 hours of session, I went home. I was feeling very light, and to be very frank, मुझे इतना अच्छा फील हुआ उस दिन शाम तक. आई वॉज सो हैप्पी. गाना गा रहे फुल वॉल्यूम में, मैं गाना सुन रही थी. एंड नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग मैं जब सो के उठी, आई वॉज टोटली फ्रेश. और मेरे ना यहाँ पे पीठ में जैसे मुझे एक हम जैसा फील होता था हमेशा. अर्ली मॉर्निंग मुझे लगा कि यार वो कहाँ से गायब हो गए. व्हाट अ मिरेकल इट वाज. फिर मैंने अपने टमी को टच किया. मैंने कहा यार मैं तो पतली भी लग रही हूँ एंड ऑल. एनीवे, बट वो मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा. द होल डे आई वॉज सो एनर्जेटिक. मतलब सिंस लास्ट 3-4 days आई फील माई सेल्फ सो एनर्जेटिक, एंड बड़ा अच्छे वाइब्स आ रहे हैं, बड़े पॉजिटिव. गाना गाती रहती हूँ, अच्छी अच्छी बातें सोचती रहती हूँ. एंड वट एवर इज कमिंग, सपोज इफ एनी फॉर अ सेकेंड के लिए भी कोई मुझे नेगेटिव थॉट आता है, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू आशा मुझे तुरंत ब्रेक कर देती हूँ मैं उसे. एंड आई स्टार्ट चांटिंग वट एवर शी हैज सजेस्टेड मी सम स्टेटमेंट एंड ऑल. तो आई एम डूइंग दैट. एंड दिस थिंग मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा कि मैं अपनी पूरी फैमिली मेंबर्स को, मैं फ्रेंड्स को बताना चाहती हूँ. एंड एवरीबडी नीड्स टू बी बेनिफिटेड विद दिस. इट्स रियली, शी इज अ ब्लेस्ड पर्सन. नो, शी हैज गॉट मिरेकल इन हर हैंड. So we must come and try, and then you can see the changes and how it goes. And today I came for my second session, and I hope मेरा तो पूरा एकदम, मेरी तो ये बीमारी जैसे सर्वाइकल तो लग रहा है 100% पूरा खत्म ही हो चुका है. And I'm really happy with everything. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sana here. This is my first session with Arshia. When I walked in, I had no idea what I'm going in for. It was a leap of faith recommended to me by a friend. And my first impression on seeing Arshia was she's such a sweet girl, very sweet. Her appearance is only so comforting. So when I was on the table, I didn't know what to expect because I hadn't done too much reading onto what this therapy is about. But this felt actually like a spiritual spa. It was actually like an energy spa. I'm feeling clean from inside, and there was some energy removal which at that point of time actually made me feel like my body is shrinking. You could feel my body shrink, actually shrink. And I see my face is glowing after that, and my body feels lighter. My clothes feel lighter. Clothes feel as if they've, outgrown. And also I had come in with the shoulder pain, which I was not even on my mind. Whatever I discussed with Arsha was not even on my mind, but it's gone after I have been through the session. I hope to do some more sessions with her, and I pray that she keeps blessing people with her talent. This is a blessing from Allah, which I hope she extends it to people. A lot of more people benefit from this. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Yogesh, Dr. Yogesh Babra Sutar, and she's my wife, Dr.
Myself, I'm Jayashree Kishore Mali, and we both have done PhD in pharmaceutical science. Actually, I was facing knee problem and back pain since 2012 because of sudden jerk in ST bus. But from 2017 it increased very much, and because of that I could not join my PhD also, and I could not join even job also. Since then, from 2 years I am like sitting vacant at home. So, but and even I have tried n number of doctors like in Mumbai as well as Pune. I went to around 20 to 30 doctors in Mumbai, and I have done even Ayurvedic therapy, Panchkarma, then physiotherapy also, acupuncture therapy, then various treatments I have taken, but I did not see any, I did not notice any changes. Even in Pune also, I tried to go to so many doctors, but there also doctors said it is mild, it will go on its own, but the pain was similarly constant, like in the scale of 1 to 10 it was always 10, so it never reduced to 1 or something. So one of my friend suddenly suggested me to go to Arshia, and then I came here, and just today within one session I can see the difference, that I can do squatting as well as I can fold my knees into lotus position. So I'm really thankful and grateful to her, and I'm also thankful to my friend in US, Janvi, who has brought me here to her place. Thank you, Arshia.
And she also feeling very confident also.
So we are thankful to
We are very
Arshia
thankful
ma'am.
to Arsha ma'am.
Thank you so much. We'll tell everybody to join her for the
Actually, yeah.
session and for the coursework. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.